everyone, welcome to Roger Journal. My name is Alice. I am happy to have you back in my December journal with me. Today I'm continuing with Daphne's diary and my digital vintage linen kit from the last week's journaling. If you want to have a closer look at this month's Daphne's diary or my holiday digital kit, check the last week's journaling video. So I chose this page to work with today. It is one of the vintage linens in my printable kit. I added this cute train washi tape at the top, trimming the excess. And this big tag is from the Daphne's Diary magazine. I cut the thread part to add a real jute twine. I like elements sticking out at the top or at the side of my journal. It makes journal look more eclectic. On the left page, this is one of the journal cards from the digital kit. And the deer die cut is from the Spirit of Christmas collection by Fabrika Decoru, which I also used on the side cover. So I'm gluing. And pulled out a sticker to finish the page. The first page is done. This is a box that I was gifted at Christmas a couple of years ago. It came with mugs inside. It was Villeroy and Bosch. I love their Christmas collection so much. To include one of its flap in the journal, I peeled the back layers of it and cut it to the size and shape so it can be a pocket. This is a week planner page from the magazine that they are selling on their website. If you're interested, check the Daphne's Diary shop. There is a link in the box below. I'm adding a washi tape says Merry Christmas in Italian. This is a scrap from last year's journaling. I believe this is from one of the Christmas collections by Cartabella. It is a lyric of a Christmas carol. I ripped the vintage music paper and added it on the right edge to add more interest in the background and vintage feel to the page. I think gluing this lyric was the last thing I did on this page. Nope, I finished it with stickers on the pocket. Now I'm journaling. This is how today's journalings have done. The first page has a Christmas tree and deers. They are so lovely. And the second page has more colors and my personal ephemera. I'm really happy with it. I hope you enjoy the journaling process. Let me know if you have any questions, and definitely check my digital kit holiday in my Etsy shop. And also, I have a tutorial video of the Starbucks cup journal. Click the card at the top. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my new video next Thursday. Bye bye!